What happens in the process of initial arraignment in a drug charge? Attorney Keith Hallam says, "It depends on whether or not you are being charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. If you are being charged with a felony, then the arraignment is the first step. When you go to an arraignment, the court will give you the formal reading of your charge and inform you of your right to an attorney. And then they ask you whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If so, they can provide one for you. If not, they inform you that you need to retain an attorney. Depending on the jurisdiction, they will actually give you a court date or a deadline by which you need to have that attorney retained. The court will also set a preliminary hearing date for you if it is a felony. A preliminary hearing is a hearing where the court determines whether or not there is probable cause to bring these charges against you. If they determine that there is, they send the case to the grand jury. The grand jury is a group of your peers that meet in private, that review the Commonwealth evidence and determine whether or not there was enough to bring these charges against you. If they do determine that, then a true bill is created and a person is indicted. An indictment is the charging document that is used in the circuit court, and that indictment is typically served upon a person at a date called a term day. Term day is a date where the indictment is given to a person and a date is set for a bench trial, a jury trial, or a plea. Now, for a misdemeanor, it depends on the jurisdiction. There are some jurisdictions that don't have an arraignment. It just goes straight to your trial date. Other jurisdictions do have an arraignment, and it follows a similar procedure to that of a felony, where they formally read you your charge. They ask you whether you want a court-appointed counsel or retain your own attorney, and then they set a court date for you, and that new date they set for you is either a date to inform the court that you've hired an attorney, or it goes straight to your trial date. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Keith Hallam in Alexandria, Virginia, at 703-548-1462, or visit him on the web at www.NovaLegalGroup.com.